Introducing the BIESSE WINLINE CNC machine, the future of woodworking technology. This powerful machine is designed to meet all your woodworking needs and take your business to new heights. This powerhouse of a machine is made up of a variety of modules, each designed to take your woodworking experience to new heights. With its cutting-edge technology and unparalleled efficiency, this machine is a true game-changer. Imagine having a machine that can handle all your woodworking tasks with ease and precision. With only one operator required, the BIESSE WINLINE CNC machine eliminates the need for a large workforce, freeing up valuable resources and reducing costs. The loader in the BIESSE WINLINE CNC machine is equipped with a laser scanner, ensuring that each piece of wood is measured with extreme precision. The machine has a buffer for 16 pieces of wood, making it easy to load the materials with a length from 250 mm up till 4,500 mm. The machine for counter profiles is equipped with an automatic tool change system, making it a breeze to switch between tools. The machine for routing, boring, and slotting is designed to handle even the most complex of tasks with ease, providing you with precise and accurate results every time. And that's not all. The machine for glue and automatic dowel takes production to a whole new level, while the profiling machine provides you with a complete solution, giving you the ability to create perfect profiles with ease. The extraction belt provides a clean and safe working environment, but it also makes it easy to manage and transport your finished products, streamlining your entire production process. So why wait? Invest in the BIESSE WINLINE CNC machine and experience the power of modern woodworking. Embrace the future of woodworking technology and take your business to new heights. Get ready to witness increased production, reduced costs, and improved profits. Say hello to the ultimate woodworking solution, the BIESSE WINLINE CNC machine.